Hi guys, it's Dr. Andrew from MIRA Clinic. A lot of you will have seen that we are getting great results removing tattoos using our picosecond laser called the Cutera Enlighten. Did you know that we can use the same laser to get rid of iron stains? What's an iron stain? Iron stain is where people have an iron transfusion to help them with their anemia or their low iron count. If the transfusion leaks out of the vein, it gets caught under the skin and ends up staining the skin. People find it's a really significant cosmetic issue because whenever they wear a short sleeve shirt and you can see this dark patch on their skin, it looks like a big bruise. And usually these iron stains are permanent. So here's a picture of an iron stain, and as you can see it looks a lot like a bruise. But the thing is, it's permanent. The problem with a permanent stain like this that looks like a bruise is every time this person goes out with a short sleeve top on, people are looking at it and asking, what did you do? Why have you got the bruise on your arm? In the past, the only treatment was a Q-switch laser, and the Q-switch lasers often helped a bit, but unfortunately they weren't always able to clear the stains completely. So here's a picture of a lady who had a really large and dark iron stain from a transfusion in hospital, and she went to another clinic and they used a Q-switch laser, and this is what it looked like after 7 treatments. And so it's still a big problem, and you can see these stripes here where the laser's been effective in some spots but not effective in others. So why is a picosecond laser better at treating iron stains than Q-switch lasers? Well, I think it's the same reason why they're better at treating tattoos. With a shorter, faster pulse, it smashes the pigment particles. In the case of tattoo, ink particles. In the case of iron stains, it's the iron particles. It smashes it more effectively, and therefore it clears these stains much better than a Q-switch laser. So at MIRA Clinic, we treat these stains pretty much the same way we treat the tattoos. The cost of the treatment depends on the size, which we can measure for you, or if you send in a photo that gives us an idea of the scale, we can give an estimate. We can't guarantee results, but so far we've been getting pretty good results after sort of 4 to 8 treatments. Here's another one that we're treating at the moment, and this is the stain before we started, and this is what it looks like after 3 treatments. And so as you can see, it's well on the way to being cleared. The treatment itself is pretty quick. It does depend on the size, but this particular one takes around 10 minutes to treat, and it's actually more comfortable to get this treatment than a tattoo. The reason is that the pigmentation isn't as dark, so there isn't as much energy being observed. So yes, it feels a bit hot, it hurts, but it hurts a lot less than the tattoo treatments. So we used to think iron stains were permanent. I don't think they are anymore. I think with the right treatment and the right laser, we can fade them almost completely. This lady has had 6 treatments after the 7 treatments at the other clinic, and now you can hardly see any remaining sign of the iron stain. She's able to go out wearing short sleeves, and she doesn't have to worry about people coming up to her and asking her about the big bruise on her arm anymore. I hope you guys found that interesting. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments or get in touch with us at the clinic.